Good morning, lovely people. Welcome back to another What Eating a Day. As you would have known if you would watch my weekly weigh-in, I got rid of a cold. So today, this week is my week off. It's the end of my last 12-week plan. It is the planning week for my next 12-week plan, which is going to be so drastically different to all the rest. In fact, you know that because you would have seen it because I did it on the weekend. Got my water, still haven't broken my fast yet. So, what time are we? It is 10:20 and I've still not broken my fast. But I'm going to be making breakfast right now. So, this week, as you would know, I am trying out more plant-based meals. I'm on a mission this week to use my extra calories to discover new plant-based meals, to give myself a little bit of freedom to explore those meals without having to worry about my calories, if that makes sense. I'm not going plant-based, but what I like to think is I'm going predominantly plant-based. So I'm really looking to the vegan community for some knowledge, understanding, because I think we've got a lot to learn from the vegan community in terms of balanced nutrition. I think especially when it's done really well. So this morning I am doing oats. So if you would have seen my weekend vlog from last weekend, you'd see that I actually bought these jumbo rolled oats because there's some understanding around fibre in oats that obviously the more smashed up the oats are, the more it turns that usable fibre into fibre that's not so usable in your system. So these, let me open the packet, that'd be easier, wouldn't it? So as you can see, these are the whole oats. They're not processed in any way, shape or form, which means the fibre strands are still intact. Now, theory is if you turn these into porridge rather than normal just rolled oats, the normal ones you would normally buy, then actually these retain their fibre strands, so that when they then get into your system and get into your gut basically, that actually it forms the network that's needed within your gut to help your microbiome basically. So that's why I've gone to these jumbo rolled oats. Now up until now I've not been a massive lover of oats, but I think I've always been that typical just stick them in, stick them with milk and just eat them as they are. But I'm on a mission to kind of like funk them up a bit to make them more exciting, because I think there's a lot of benefit from eating oats. So I'm gonna get on and make this, and I will see you in a bit.
Whispers in the morning, whispers wakes me up. I can hear your words today, whispers that you're mine. I don't need anyone to tell me that you're not, 'cause when you whisper to me, darling, I can't get enough. You know how to read me when I don't want you to know.
So breakfast is done. So I've got the rolled oats, I've got 250 ml of full fat milk, I've got an organic banana, and I've got the cashew butter. I always buy the Meridian one. Love this. And a little drizzle of maple syrup. So looking forward to this. Yeah, so that's breakfast done. I will see you at lunchtime. it is lunchtime. I say lunchtime, it's actually 2:45. I have been so busy today. Other than the 10 minutes it took me to chop up the veg and chuck them in the oven, I have been flat out. Anyway, so this is a recipe from Alexandra Anderson. She's a vegan YouTuber. She's also got an app, maybe a website. This looks amazing, I've got to be honest with you. So let me just show you again quickly. So this is vegan. I've made a couple of alterations. One is supposed to be sweet potato, but I didn't have any, so I used butternut squash because that's what I had. Plus as well, it's meant to have quinoa with it or some sort of grain, but I'm eating this so late, and Shannon and the baby are coming over for dinner tonight, which is going to be around 5:30. So I've foregone the rice and the grain because I'm just not going to get around to it. So on here is butternut squash roasted with chickpeas and Brussels sprouts and some seasoning. There's grated apple, which you've just seen. I put it into some lemon water to stop the apple from going brown. And then the sauce, I've got to be honest with you, that girl is a genius. The flavour on that sauce is absolutely insane. It is so good. Right, so I'm going to put it all together because I've tried bits and pieces, you know, as I've been making it. So let's give it a go with some chickpeas, a bit of lettuce. Oh guys, that is so packed with flavour. You do not miss the fact that I haven't got the meat on there. Seriously, that girl is talented. She develops her own recipes, and that's predominantly what her channel's about, is actually vegan recipes. That is insanely good. That is... that is ridiculously good. Can't believe it. See, now that is what I think vegan food should taste like. If there was anything that would ever entice me to become a vegan or even vegetarian, it is food like that. That is insanely good. Anyway, I'm going to stop gushing about this now because I can't believe it myself. I can't believe how good that is. Anyway, so I'm going to go and eat this while I get a chance, and probably in front of my computer. Not a good idea, I know, but I've got stuff to do. And I will see you at dinner time. Good evening, guys. I nearly forgot I was filming what I eat today. So bizarre. Such a strange day. So this evening I'm having chicken kebabs. So let me spin you around so I can see, so I can show, so I can show you what I've got. So I've got lettuce, I've got the hummus that I made this morning, I shredded some red onion, cucumber, I've got these wheat and white wraps. Here is the chicken all ready to go. The only thing we're missing is the fries, which are still in the oven. Yeah, and then we're all good to go. So what I'll do is, obviously when I put it together, we're all eating, so it's going to be a bit busy. So when I've actually put a wrap together, I'll do a quick pan and show you what it looks like. So interestingly enough, I've just put my maintenance calories into my NutriCheck app, and because I'd eaten late, because the porridge filled me for so long, and because I ate so late at lunchtime, so I didn't put the grains with it. Bear in mind, I'm still not hungry yet, and we're nearly 5:30 actually. I've still got like 1,200 calories left, so I'm starting to understand why, perhaps being vegan, I don't think I could be vegan, but I can understand why it'd probably be easy to keep your weight low being vegan, because so many left, and I think that even this is not going to put a substantial, oh there's the oven, a substantial dent in it. But anyway, I'll check in later tonight and let you know what I'm ending. Hi guys, yes it is the next day. Guess who forgot to end the vlog last night? Me. Anyway, I ended on, I didn't eat anything more after dinner anyway, so I ended on 1,645. I just couldn't get my calories up yesterday. I started eating so late in the day that actually I just couldn't. I thought later on, could I fit something in? Because obviously I've reduced my fasting window. Or increase my fasting, no, reduce my fasting window. Increase my eating window. That's what I was looking for. So I thought I could eat something later, but I just couldn't. I was just done for the day. So yeah, you know, no problem. I thought I'd had before. There we are. Anything else? Did I say who was the dinner that I had? Maybe, maybe not. Just in case I didn't, this is what I ate. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this, what I eat in a day vlog. I can't even think what it's called then. See, this is what happens when you get knocked over the next day. If you've enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. And I will see you my next weekly weigh-in. Bye, guys.